It's just press like this. They do hyperextensions. Lot of hyperextension. They are doing one day, that is fine. Second day, third day, over the year, 6 months they will do. Then they need TKR. That's why a lot of TKR are there. So you have to find the right trainer also. Gym trainers, if you have any friends, you can guide them. Sometimes they doesn't know this because maximum trainers are damaging knees in the gyms, right? So locking, unlocking, okay. So here what we are doing, contraction of your stick, the contraction of quadriceps, right? Come on, see, right? So now what we need is strengthening of quadriceps, so that you are able to get strength and lock your knees. Then you can get the client in standing position, right? So not only this one exercise, there are many exercises you can do. Leg press you can do, Pilates position, you can do